Hello, Jeff here from Whitbur Botanical, and in this video we're going to be talking about this plant right here, Plectranthus parviflorus. Plectranthus parviflorus is a herbaceous shrub that grows to around 70 centimeters. It has fleshy red-brown stems with toothed leaves and produces masses of flower spikes throughout the year with pale blue to violet flowers. Plectranthus parviflorus can handle a wide range of growing conditions from full sun to shade and almost any soil type. It's often seen growing naturally in rocky areas in very shallow soil and frequently found near waterways. It's a widespread plant occurring on the coast and ranges of New South Wales and into both Queensland and Victoria. Plectranthus parviflorus is a prolific seeder and can form quite dense colonies, giving cover to smaller animals and insects. Its continuous flowering provides a food source for native bees and other insects year-round. Environmentally, Plectranthus parviflorus is a great plant for establishing some native ground cover in an area, as it is very fast growing and produces a lot of seed. It's excellent at covering a large area quickly and providing shelter for slower growing species to get established. It typically has a shallow root system and can grow in very little soil, which makes it a great choice in rocky areas where it would be harder to establish larger shrubs and trees. In the garden, it makes an excellent rockery species, border plant or low shrub layer. Its long flowering period makes it great for attracting beneficial insects year-round. When it's in full flower, it's quite an ornamental species, although due to its massive seed production and high germination rate, you will likely need to remove it from areas in the garden you don't want it growing. As for propagation, it's very easy to grow from seed and germinates quickly in the spring and summer. That's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, then you can check out this playlist that's going to come up on the screen now for more videos about native plants, or you can check out this video over here about another great little native, Viola hederaceae. As always, thanks all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.